Stop. I and the baby was supposed to be stripping, and I was like, I don't know how to handle that.
But Philly's hair.
What was that? Hi guys! Today we're finally going to react to Stray Kids' Thunderous. It's taken quite a while for us to be here and react to this because we've been sick.
Dead.
Yeah.
Fever, literally.
Yeah, we had quite a lot of fever. No, but I'm so excited for this. I've seen pictures.
I've seen one video that I'm not even ashamed that I've watched before this because it almost has like 7 million likes on TikTok. It's Felix.
Oh. Yeah, oh yeah. I seen that too.
Big booty.
But I mean, that's not a... Well, his hair...
Like his
appearance is a sneak peek. But I've seen Bang Chan's stomach. And I know this will be fatal. Like, no, I don't think you understand. Also, we have a guest for this video. Lol. Say hi to Ebba. She is... y'all have been wondering for a long time, where is Ebba? And we were like, read our description! But she has moved to Korea. So this little...
Take it away, girl.
...is in Korea. You might not even see her.
She looks like a...
She is...
like a naked cat? I don't know.
She is going to sleep. So, yeah, because it's late over there right now. But, yeah, here she is. Say hi.
I'm alive.
Hi.
Say, I'm alive.
Huh?
I'm alive.
I'm alive, but I'm dead. No, but we just want to say...
I'm not alive. I've been in quarantine for fucking...
Oh yeah, she's in quarantine. She's gonna study there. So she will not be in the videos for quite some time. Even though she wasn't even before. But yeah. Bye, I guess. But yeah, let's just hop right into this. I am so excited. I don't think you understand. Let's go. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up.
Oh,
No! No!
Did that remind you of something?
Yeah.
It reminded you. Yeah.
No.
Kingdom.
Yeah.
Rip
Hold up.
stage.
Sorry. We're a little bit too excited for this. Colors? No, not at all. Sorry.
But in the beginning, kind of. We were...
Stop.
Breathe, please.
I mean, a red. Fatal.
But when Changbin starts their songs, it's like
It's
punch.
a secure bop.
Yeah.
Like, just say it.
Yeah.
But Han coming in here, oh my god.
Yeah. Spitting fire.
Bang Chan. Long hair Hyunjin is.
He touched someone's butt. Sorry, that's so...
Let's try to not pause.
Yeah. Chris! Yeah. Royals? Felix.
He's dirty. He is dirty. Thunderous! Stop. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Can we stop? Can we talk about? I know you've seen that video from their backstage. No, like training for Kingdom. And the baby was supposed to be stripping, and I was like, I don't know how to handle that, honestly.
Kids.
Yeah. How do you handle that? Honestly, no. I just want to say as well. Changmin is my bias, if you didn't already know. But also, I haven't really had a bias record because I feel like they all take that place every time. But Chan has been sneaking up for that place, and this is not making it hard for him. Let's just say that. Easy for me. You know?
Can I just say something?
Yeah.
2 things here. First off, when Changbin Center, his whole like aura, it's like his expressions, mwah. Like, wow. But number 2, Ian's duality here, he was like, and I was like, you know? So, and Red, and I'm just stalling right now because I'm not ready to continue.
I can press my button.
Look, no. You were.
Can y'all?
I'm daddy.
They don't play by the rules. Hold up, dude. Look at his hair. Oh my god, that is not okay! Chan, I just know he is so embarrassed watching this in on me live. Yeah, Chan's room.
But feel his hair.
What was that?
Die. Wait, you literally died. Oh my god,
Oh my god, I just know, yeah, I was about to say, like, I know the comments is going to come again. Why are you so red? Sorry, bro. Like,
but I'm literally so red.
Why are you not red?
Yeah,
that's my question. Let's keep on going, but that was not okay. Literally laughing at me.
Or
they're so iconic. I'm dirty.
no, I wasn't. Oh.
No, sorry. I'm so sorry to pause again, but I just gonna say that Stray Kids, they are. I don't know how they do this because I don't think they have a song like another of theirs or another in general. But also, like, how do they pull everything off? Like, they're so. How do I say this? I know the word, but I clearly can't think of it right now. So their own.
Yeah. But this is like, we say that about a lot of people actually, but they have their like own genre kind of, and this screams Stray Kids.
Yeah, but also like, who would do a dance like that? But
this is a mouth, right?
Yeah, but can I just like what?
Oh,
I love him.
Yeah.
Him too.
I love this outfit and shoes and everything.
Are they spitting?
Tvi.
Tech. Yeah, they're spitting.
Yeah. Yeonjin, move.
That fucking
bird.
Oh my god, I love Stray Kids videos. That's so awesome.
Like the trenches. Yeah, I saw this move.
He's dirty! They don't play.
His
Oh my
fucking
god.
hair. How did one look good in that?
That was not long enough.
He looks. I mean, they're in a historical setting, but he really fit.
If you're all
that.
around a girl, you make circuits dirty.
Hello.
Yeah?
Feel like
I
really
heard.
fits the historical hair.
What the fuck? That's all I have to say. No, but like, how do they do this every time?
I don't get it. Like how
Neither.
does? Because honestly, also I get it when people or artists have like different type of songs because there's different people writing it. Like it's from different people, but like it's the same little.
3 Raja dudes, my dudes.
Yeah.
Bangchan, like, who's your stylist?
Race.
Yeah.
Yeah. 3 Racha does it
Not me.
again.
Yeah.
Does it so good. I'm like so proud of them. You know, because we've seen them like grow.
Yeah.
And it's like how do they come back with better and better and better and like so many songs? Like I mean, you get what I mean when I say like people like groups can do different types of styles and it sounds good because there's different songwriters and different producers, but these are the same people. How do they like be how can they be this creative? I don't.
and so diverse. Like, they...
Yeah.
Like, they can do cutesy stuff.
Yeah.
We all seen it.
Nah.
Yeah, well, that's not the cutest thing. But I feel like... when they cover twice. Like, hello?
Yeah.
I'm just... baffled.
Blown away.
Yeah.
Honestly,
What's
what
baffled?
the hell? What?
What's baffled?
Like-
Yeah.
What?
I'm that.
Yeah.
I just-
Did you want me to show you?
No, I don't know what it means, but I've heard it before.
You're like, wait, this word sounds good.
Yeah.
Let's use it.
No, but like, I don't know how they do it. I don't know. I keep on getting like, wow. And we've been like watching them since their debut, like even before.
Yeah.
And that is weird, man. Like, no, I love to see them grow, and I love the spotlight they give everyone now.
Yeah.
Because, you know, when groups debut, it's often like one shines more than the other because, you know,
Yeah.
they have their... But they don't have their... I love this group. Mic drop.
It's literally everyone's era.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Yeah, this will leave an impact for a long time. So, yeah, I'm just gonna go cry. I don't know.
I'm going
Bye.
straight to the live stages. That's what I'm doing.
Yeah, and I'm going straight to Weekly Idol.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am out of this world shocked. Like, I need a moment to calm myself down. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked our reaction, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more reactions. Bye bye.